Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay using gCash on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. But first, let's see some accepted payments method here on eBay. So here's like the customer service article of eBay, and from here you can learn some accepted payments method. So as you can see, depending on the category and the country you are selling in, you might be also like accepting some of these payments method, or you can already have automatically these payments method. So you can be able to pay with credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal. So the first thing to know is that it really depends on the seller. This means if the seller hasn't mentioned any kind of payments method, so you want to be able like to pay with gCash, for example. And here we can, for example, go to the payments policy, and those are the payments method that are offered at the checkout on eBay. And basically, you are able to pay with PayPal, PayPal credit, credit card or debit, Apple or Google Pay, Venmo, Klarna, Pay, and many other things. And basically, you will just need to have like the seller to have some of these payments method enabled, and as a seller you can simply do so by going to your account settings, and from there you can go to the accounts or payments informations, and from there you can go to payments. So from there you can be able to add your payments methods, and basically you will be able to add any cards or accounts. You can go to buying preferences, etc. And you will need just to go for a checkout, and from here you can find like what you can add, and then you can, for example, uh, just contact the seller and ask them that you want to pay with the gcash, and basically you might be able to do it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.